everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add number of years, months, and days to date in Google Sheet with formula. To add a combination of years, months, and days to the date in Google Sheet, you can use the following formula. Select a blank cell to get the result and enter the following formula. Start with the date function. Press tab. It converts a provided year, month, and day into a date. And for the year, use the year function. Press tab. It returns the year specified by a given date. For the date, select cell E2. It is the date cell you want to add years. Close the bracket, plus select cell B2, which is the number of years you want to add to the date, comma. For the month type the month function, it returns the month of the year a specific date falls in numeric format. Select cell A2, close the bracket, plus select cell C2, which is the number of months you want to add to the date, comma. For the day, use day function, press tab. For the date, select cell A2, close the bracket, plus select cell D2, which is the number of days you want to add to the date. The day function returns the day of the month that a specific date falls on in numeric format. Close the bracket, press enter, and then drag the autofill handle down to fill this formula. And the number of years, months, and days have been added to the date, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.